Lay's Potato Chips Mega Factory, processing millions of potato chips in factory. Imagine biting into a perfectly crispy, golden potato chip that delivers a satisfying crunch with just the right amount of seasoning. For decades, Lay's potato chips have been a universal snack time favorite, loved by millions around the globe. But have you ever stopped to wonder how this seemingly simple snack is created on such a massive scale? Behind every bag of Lay's lies a fascinating story of precision, technology, and dedication, as millions of chips are processed daily in cutting-edge megafactories. The journey from a humble potato to a bag of Lay's chips is nothing short of extraordinary. It involves advanced machinery, meticulous quality control, and innovative techniques that ensure every chip is as flawless as the last. From sourcing the finest potatoes to slicing, frying, and seasoning them to perfection, every step is a marvel of modern engineering and culinary science. Sourcing the perfect potatoes. The foundation of every great chip starts with the potato itself. Lay's works with farmers across the globe to source high-quality potatoes that meet their exacting standards. These potatoes are specifically grown to produce the ideal texture and flavor for chips, which means not all varieties cut. Only potatoes with the perfect balance of moisture and starch are selected, ensuring they fry evenly and deliver that iconic crunch. Once harvested, the potatoes are transported to Lay's factories under strict conditions to preserve their freshness. Upon arrival, they undergo a rigorous sorting process. State-of-the-art optical scanners inspect each potato, identifying and discarding any that have blemishes, irregular shapes, or imperfections. The art of washing and peeling. Before the potatoes can be transformed into chips, they need to be thoroughly cleaned and peeled. Massive machines are employed to wash away any dirt or debris from the potato's surface. Jets of water blast the potatoes with incredible force, ensuring they are spotless and ready for peeling. The peeling process is equally fascinating. Specialized peelers equipped with abrasive rollers or high-pressure steam remove the potato skins without damaging the flesh. This step is performed with incredible speed and precision, as thousands of potatoes are peeled within minutes. The result is a collection of pristine, ready-to-slice potatoes that look almost too perfect to be real. Slicing with laser precision. The peeled potatoes are then transported to slicing machines that work with incredible accuracy. These machines use razor-sharp blades to cut the potatoes into uniformly thin slices. Consistency is key here. Every slice must have the same thickness to ensure even frying and the signature Lay's crunch. What's truly remarkable is the speed at which these machines operate. In mere seconds, hundreds of potatoes are transformed into delicate slices that cascade down conveyor belts like a waterfall. This slicing process is also customizable. Depending on the chip variety, adjustments can be made to create wavy chips, ridges, or other unique shapes. The magic of frying. Once sliced, the potatoes move on to the frying stage, where they are cooked to golden perfection. Lay's factories use industrial fryers capable of processing massive quantities of chips simultaneously. The slices are submerged in hot oil at a precisely controlled temperature, ensuring they cook evenly without becoming greasy. The frying process is a delicate balance of time and temperature. Too long and the chips might burn, too short and they won't achieve the desired crispiness. As the slices fry, they transform into beautifully golden chips, their surfaces bubbling slightly as the moisture evaporates. This stage is mesmerizing to watch, as thousands of chips emerge from the oil, glistening and ready for seasoning. Seasoning to perfection. Seasoning is where Lay's potato chips truly come to life. The freshly fried chips are sent through giant tumblers, equipped with evenly distributed nozzles that sprinkle seasoning onto every chip. Whether it's the classic salted flavor, tangy barbecue, or creamy sour cream and onion, each chip is coated with precision to ensure a consistent taste. The seasoning process is a carefully guarded secret, involving proprietary blends of spices and flavorings that give Lay's chips their iconic taste. Engineers and flavor specialists work tirelessly to ensure that the seasoning adheres perfectly to the chips, using techniques that prevent clumping or uneven distribution. The result is a harmonious balance of flavors that enhances the chip's natural potato goodness. Quality control and packaging. Before the chips are packaged, they undergo stringent quality checks to ensure that only the best make it into the bags. Advanced cameras and sensors scan the chips for any imperfections, such as discoloration, overfrying, or uneven shapes. Any chips that don't meet Lay's high standards are removed from the line. The chips are then weighed and funneled into bags with the help of automated machines. Nitrogen is added to the bags before sealing, which helps preserve the chip's freshness and crunch. Each bag is carefully labeled and inspected, ensuring it reaches consumers in perfect condition. This final stage is a symphony of precision, where technology and human oversight combine to create the flawless snack that millions enjoy. Global distribution and accessibility. After being meticulously packaged, the journey of Lay's potato chips takes a global turn. These perfectly crafted snacks are shipped from the factory to warehouses and distribution centers worldwide. Lay's mega factories are strategically located to ensure swift delivery to local and international markets, guaranteeing that customers receive their chips at peak freshness. The transportation process involves a fleet of temperature-controlled vehicles that preserve the chip's texture and taste during transit. Logistics teams coordinate shipments with military precision, ensuring that even the most remote regions can enjoy Lay's iconic flavors. Whether they're stocked on the shelves of a local convenience store or shipped to luxury supermarkets abroad, each bag undergoes rigorous handling protocols to maintain its high quality. Sustainability initiatives in production. Lay's is not just about producing chips, it's also about creating them responsibly. Sustainability is a cornerstone of their operations, with initiatives that minimize environmental impact at every stage of production. The factories are designed to optimize energy efficiency, using renewable resources and cutting-edge technologies to reduce their carbon footprint. Water usage is a critical focus. Lay's mega factories recycle water during the washing and peeling stages, significantly cutting down on waste. Additionally, leftover potato skins and trimmings are repurposed as animal feed or converted into bioenergy to power parts of the factory. These efforts underline Lay's commitment to sustainable practices, ensuring that their delicious chips are made in harmony with the planet. Continuous innovation and flavor development. One of the reasons Lay's remains at the forefront of the snack industry is its dedication to innovation. The company continuously invests in research and development to create new flavors and product lines that cater to evolving consumer tastes. This involves collaboration with flavor scientists, culinary experts, and even consumers themselves through taste tests and feedback. From region-specific flavors like wasabi in Japan or prawn cocktails in the UK to seasonal limited editions that spark excitement, Lay's keeps its offerings fresh and engaging. Beyond flavors, the company also explores healthier alternatives, introducing baked and reduced-fat chips to cater to health-conscious snackers. Cultural impact and consumer love. Lay's potato chips are more than just a snack. They're a cultural phenomenon. Across the globe, they're part of countless gatherings, celebrations, and everyday moments. Whether it's movie nights, picnics, or road trips, a bag of Lay's often takes center stage, bringing people together through its universally loved taste. The brand's marketing campaigns have also played a pivotal role in cementing its status as a household name. Iconic slogans like "Betcha can't eat just one" highlight the addictive appeal of their chips, while collaborations with celebrities and social media challenges keep Lay's relevant in pop culture. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.